Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are safe and healthy and would have completed the work which I given in the last video. The last video we discussed about percentage increase and percentage decrease in the various what problems. Today we are going to start with the new concept that we have already studied in your 7th start and also in your 4th and 5th, that is profit and loss. And in that profit and loss and that you studied in your previous classes, you find out profit, loss, then profit percent, loss percent. But now today we are going to study how to find out selling price and the cost price when profit or loss plus SP or CP is given to you depending on the question. So let us see how to solve these type questions. There are following formulas that we are going to study in this concept of profit and loss. So I have written that formula. Let's go through it. For CP, which means cost price, and there is SP, which means selling price. Then P denotes profit, L denote your loss, P percent means profit percent, L percent means loss percent. So first formula is your profit percent. How to find out the profit percent? Profit percent is equals to your profit upon CP multiply 100. If you have to find out the profit percent, then you should know how much is the profit. You should know the cost price of the item. Then you can easily find out the profit percent by using this formula, that is profit percent is equals to profit upon CP multiply 100. Now the next formula is your loss percent. Loss percent is quite similar to your profit percent, but in that profit, instead of writing profit, you should be writing loss. So loss percent will be equals to what? Loss upon CP multiply 100. So loss percent equals to क्या हो loss upon में CP multiply 100. Now these are the formulas that you studied in your 7th standard also. So now we will move to the main on which the whole exercise 7.2 is based, that is CP and SP, where profit or loss plus SP or CP is given to you. So first of all we will go through the formulas for CP, then we will move to the formulas for SP. So CP, when there is a profit percent, तो cost price find out करना है जब आपका क्या दिया होगा profit percent and selling price is given to you. So for that the formula becomes SP upon 100 plus profit percent multiply 100. So again I am repeating cost price will be equals to what? Selling price upon में 100 plus profit percent multiply 100. So whenever there is a profit you will be adding, and whenever there is a loss you will be subtracting. So when the cost price we have to find out, selling price is given and there is a loss, then in that case the formula you are using will be selling price upon में 100 minus loss percent multiply 100. So this formula you are going to use for your loss whenever there is a loss and selling price is given to you and you have to find out a cost price, and this formula when there is a profit and selling price is given to you and you have to find out the cost price, then this formula you are going to use, that is cost price equals to selling price upon 100 minus 100 plus profit percent multiply 100. So this is about the formula for finding out the CP when SP or profit or loss percent is given to you. Now we will move to the finding out SP when the profit or loss and your CP is given to you. So SP, that is selling price, will be equals to what? 100 plus profit percent multiply CP upon में 100. So that will be 100 plus profit percent. जब आपका profit होगा तो always you will be adding. तो SP when there is a profit, that will be equals to what? 100 plus profit percent multiply CP upon में 100. And now when you have to find out the selling price and there is a loss, then the formula becomes 100 minus loss percent multiply CP upon में 100. So these are the formula that we are going to study or we are going to use in this exercise 8.2 questions based on profit and loss. So now let us start with the question number 3 of this exercise 8.2, which is based on the profit and loss problems. Now this is the question number 3 of your exercise 8.2, which is a shopkeeper buys 80 articles for rupees 2400 and sells them for the profit of 16%. Find the selling price of one article. This question says one shopkeeper is there who buys 80 articles, जिसने 80 articles खरीदे rupees 2400 रुपीज़ के, एंड उसी आर्टिकल को उसने सेल कर दिया कितने प्रॉफिट में? 16% प्रॉफिट में, 16% प्रॉफिट में उसी आर्टिकल, उन्हीं आर्टिकल्स को कर दिया, सेल कर दिया। एंड यू हैव टू टेल द सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन आर्टिकल, आपको सेलिंग प्राइस निकालना है वन आर्टिकल। एंड यू हैव बीन गिवन द कॉस्ट प्राइस, क्योंकि शॉपकीपर खरीद रहा है तो दैट विल बी द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 80 आर्टिकल्स इज गिवन टू यू हाउ मच 2400। एंड यू हैव बीन आस्क्ड सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ वन आर्टिकल। तो पहले हम कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ वन आर्टिकल निकालेंगे, and using this profit percent and the cost price of one article we can be easily finding out the selling price of one article. So let us start what is given to you and find out the solution of the problem. So cost price, I will be writing CP of 80 articles. CP of 80 articles is given to you how much? Rupees 2400. So CP of one articles, एक आर्टिकल का CP क्या कैसे निकलेगा? By dividing the cost price of 80 article by 80. तो that is 2400 को जब हम 80 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो we will get what? The cost price of one article. So ये 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया, 8 3 is 24, since it was 240 so it becomes 30. The cost price of one article is coming equals to how much? Rupees 30. So now we have a CP of one articles, that is 30, and we have profit percent also given to you. Profit percent is given to you how much? That is 16%. अब हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? SP you have to find out. किसका? You have to find out SP of one article. ये हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। So we know that SP is equals to what? SP equals to what? 100 plus profit percent. Why plus profit percent? Because in this question profit is there. If loss was there, will be there, so we will be writing 100 minus loss percent. So since this question contains a profit, so we will be writing 100 plus profit percent multiply CP upon 100. So put करते वैल्यू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट, प्रॉफिट इज ऑलमोस्ट 16, तो 100 प्लस 16 मल्टीप्लाई 30 अपॉन 100. So this will be 100 plus 16 will give you what? 116 multiply 30 अपॉन में 100. 0 से 0 कैंसिल हो गया, मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, this becomes 3 6 18, carry 1, 3 1 3, 1 4 and 3 3, we are getting 348 upon my 10. So when we are dividing this 348 upon 10, तो we would be getting what? डिवाइड करने में कितना आएगा? 34.8 rupees. So the selling price of one article will be your what? Rupees 34.8. So I hope you understood this question number 3 of your exercise 8.2. Now we'll move to the question number 4 of this exercise 8.2. Now this is the fourth question of your exercise 8.2, which says the cost of an article was rupees 15,500 and rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for the profit of 15%, find the selling price of one article. एक आर्टिकल है, उसकी कॉस्ट प्राइस आपको दी हुई है 15,500 रुपीज़, एंड उसमें क्या किया, थोड़ा रिपेयर वर्क किया गया है जिसका चार्जेस आपका 450 रुपीज़. नाउ द कॉस्ट प्राइस बिकम्स योर, the new cost price becomes your cost price plus your overhead charges. What are overhead charges? It can be your transport cost, it can be your repair cost. ठीक है, so these are the overhead charges. So when there are overhead charges on the cost price, so we have to use new cost price that will be equals to cost price plus overhead charges, which may includes your transport cost or your repair work also. So when the cost price is given to you and you have been given a repair or overhead charges, then the new cost price will be your cost price plus your repair or transport cost, and a profit percent is given to you. This article is sold for the profit of 15%, so this 15% is your profit percent, and you have been asked the selling price of an article. 15% प्रॉफिट में उस आर्टिकल को कितने सेलिंग प्राइस में सेल किया हुआ है, ठीक है, दैट वी हैव टू टेल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट डाउन व्हाट इज गिवन टू यू. सो CP of article equals to rupees, how much given to you? 15,500. Repair charges equals to how many? Rupees 450. These are the repair charges, 450. So new CP, new cost price will be equals to what? That will be 15,500 plus 450, which is equals to what? 15,950 rupees is your new CP. Now whenever there is a CP, we would be using new CP instead of CP. So you have to find out the selling price. हमें क्या निकालना है? SP you have to find out. So you know SP is equals to how much? SP is equals to what? 100 SP. Oh sorry. And what is given to you? SP and profit percent is given to you. Sorry. We have been given profit percent. That is how much? कितना दिया profit percent? This profit percent is given to you how much? 15%. And we have to find out SP. हमें SP find out करना. So the formula for SP is equal to when profit percent is there, 100 plus profit percent upon 100 multiply CP. So we will put the values. So this will be equal to what? 100 plus 15 multiply 15950 upon में your what? 100. So this is 100 plus 15 is your what? 115 multiply 15950 upon में your 100. So 0 से 0 cancel हो गया. Again 5 से 5 2 जा 5 3 जा and 5 2 जा. So this will be 23 multiply 1595 upon में 2. When you multiply this and divided by 2, जो आंसर निकल करेगा that will be your selling price. वो आपका selling price निकल करेगा. So this you will be doing by yourself as a homework. Multiply करके divide. पहले इन दोनों को 23 multiply 1595 करोगे, then जो आंसर निकल करेगा उसको 2 से divide करोगे, that will be coming in the decimals. That will be your what? Selling price of the article which is sold for 15%. So the homework will be, homework for today, page number 123, page number 123 पे try this section है on the top में आपका try this section है. In that आपको A part, B part and C part खुद करना है, ठीक है. A, B and C part, try this section, page number 123 on the top it is given. So with this we finish off with the today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.